Take your Toyota RAV4 experience to a whole new level with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your Toyota RAV4 LE XLE Limited. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. You will notice the passenger and driver seat bottom covers are different. The passenger side has 4 hook and loop straps, and the driver's side has 2 hook and loop straps. You will also notice each cover has a foam strip along the hemline. This is used to tuck into the crevice of the seat bottom base. Now, begin by stretching the passenger's bottom cover over the seat. Feed the hook and loop straps into the crevice and fasten to the underside of the seat bottom. Then, use the hook and loop straps up front and fasten them to the fabric under the seat. Tuck the fabric around the seat bottom and into the base for a snug fit. Now, place the driver's side seat bottom cushion on. Push the hook and loop straps through the crevice and fasten underneath. Then, use the foam strip along the hemline on the front and side and tuck it into the crevice of the base for a secure fit. Next, remove the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, unfold the seat cover and fasten it to the seat with the hook and loop closure. Next, recline the rear seats and stretch the rear bottom cover over the seat and tuck the fabric in. Make sure to use the attached loop and feed the strap through underneath the seat bottom. And then, connect them together under the seat with the buckle clips. Next, remove the headrests. Then, stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Tuck the straps through the crevice. Fasten the straps to the back side of the rear backrest with the hook and loop straps. Then, secure the covers to the sections of the backrest with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Finally, reconnect the headrests and slip all the headrest covers on. And that's it! Enjoy the total RAV4 experience like never before, and appreciate the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.